Hello dear friends, hope you are all doing good. And how is the weather at your end? Here in Mumbai it's raining. Such weather really calls for something hot. So today let's make soup. I'm planning to make hot and sour chicken soup, which is also known as Peking soup. I love this soup. It's our family favorite. Whenever we go out for Chinese meal, we end up ordering this soup. So today let's make it at home and enjoy it in this lovely weather. Nothing can be comforting than a hearty bowl of soup. So let's proceed.
Take a wok or a pan, heat about 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seed oil. Line it on the surface of the wok. Add the ginger and garlic now. I've taken very little, half a teaspoon of each. Saute it lightly. You may use any other oil also if you wish, but sesame seed oil really enhances the Chinese food. Now dip in the chicken strips and stir fry them until they change the color. I've cut them into very fine strips. They'll cook very fast. You can see the color has become whitish now. Now add the onions first, followed by baby corn. These take little longer to cook, so they go in first. Toss them. Now add the other vegetables. All I have cut into strips and I have diced the celery finely. Stir fry a little bit. We have to retain the crunch. Add little bit of salt, as the soya sauce is also salty, and about less than 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. You can see the color and add later if required, because this is very dark and it makes the soup very black if you add more. Now I'm adding homemade chili sauce, 1 teaspoon. You can add more also if you wish to, and little bit of tomato ketchup to balance the flavors. You can check out the link in the description box how to make the chili sauce at home. Stir everything. Add the chicken stock. Bring it to a boil, dilute the cornstarch and add the slurry. After it is boiling, let's see the thickness and then you add more water if required. I added some right away. Now goes in the tofu. I've cut it into thin strips also. You can cut in cubes if you wish to. 1 egg goes in and start stirring with the ladle. Now add vinegar and crushed black pepper. Continue stirring it until you get the desired consistency. Soup is nearly done. Reduce the flame because we don't want the veggies to become soft. Add the finely chopped green onions. Check the salt and adjust if required. I'm adding few vegetables for crunchiness and color. Some diced carrots and capsicums or bell peppers. The soup is ready. I like mine thicker. You can adjust, add more water if you want. I'm adding some celery leaves also for the flavor. You can dish it out now. This quantity actually serves 2 people. I'm pouring into a larger bowl, but it serves 2 people.
This is one of the most popular soup in the Chinese cuisine.
also known as Peking soup. What we made today is the Indo-Chinese version. Because we love spicy food, we add chili sauce to it. Pour some chili oil on top. And garnish it with some green onions, finely chopped onion greens. Here we go, the soup is ready, delicious and yummylicious. Hot and sour soup, make and enjoy. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Do check out these videos from the archives too, you might like them.